Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So, if you're trying to use your Aura frame on a smart TV, it's important to understand that Aura frames don't directly connect to TVs like a media device or streaming box. This is where many users get confused, expecting a plug-and-play setup. Instead, Aura works through its mobile app, and to view your photos on a bigger screen, you need to use your phone as the connection bridge. By using screen mirroring or casting, you can display your Aura photos on your smart TV easily. Once you know how this setup works, it becomes a smooth and convenient way to enjoy your memories on a larger display. So, in this video, I'll guide you through the exact steps to use your Aura frame on a smart TV the right way. Try these. Step 1. Open the Aura app on your phone and select your photos. Step 2. Turn on your smart TV and enable screen mirroring. Step 3. Connect your phone and TV to the same Wi-Fi network. Step 4. Start screen mirroring or casting from your phone. Step 5. Navigate through photos in the Aura app. Step 6. View your Aura photos displayed on the TV screen.